Welcome in this poem recitation session. It belongs to class 4. Today we are to enjoy a poem named How Beautiful is the Rain. Let us enjoy it. How beautiful is the rain. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat. In the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain, how it clatters along the roof like the tramp of hoofs, how it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Across the window pane, it pours and pours, and swift and wide, with a muddy tide, like a river down the gutter road. The rain, the welcome rain, the sick man from a chamber looks at the twisted bruise. He can feel the cool breath of each little pool. His fevered brain grows calm again, and he breathes a blessing on the rain, and he breathes a blessing on the rain, composed by Henry Wordsworth Longfellow. And now we will enjoy multiple choice questions based on this very poem. Let us enjoy it. Choose the correct answer. For each question, you have three options, and out of four, you have to select one correct answer. First question is, what does the poet praise in the poem? First option, dust. Second option, rain. Third option, streets. Correct answer is option second, that is rain. So you need to write option second, that is rain. Question number 2. What are the poet's feelings towards the rain? Option first, he hates it. Option second, he is afraid of the rain. Option third, he finds it beautiful. Correct answer is option 3, that is he finds it beautiful. Question number 3. The clatter of rain seems like dash. Option first, fire. Option second, overflowing spout. Option third, that is option 3, tramp of hoops. And correct answer is option 3, that is tramp of hoofs. So you need to write option 3. Question number 4. The rain brings respite from option first, narrow lanes. Option second, heat and dust. Option third, fever. Correct option is option 2, that is heat and dust. So your answer is heat and dust. Now come to enjoy question number 5. That is, who looks at the rain from his chamber? Option first is small child. Option second is sick person. Option third is young man. Correct answer is option second, that is a sick person. In this way, you have to answer the rest of the questions based on this very poem composed by Henry Wordsworth Longfellow. Thanks for watching. See you next class with new solution.